You can't say anything about this. Okay,
True.
that's
It's a
fine.
family matter. They are also my parents, and they guide me on good things. So I have to listen. My mother will treat me properly and all those.
You seem to be very logical, very thoughtful and insightful. How have you developed these thoughts?
I don't develop these. Whatever comes in my mind, I directly do that.
So you always listen to your brain.
Yeah.
What is your brain saying about me?
Imagine I don't have brain, so I could eat anything because my brain is not giving me suggestions. But I have brain, so my brain is giving me suggestions.
Now you will not call me sir, you will call me Mamu.
I'll call you sir because you are
No.
teaching me, so you will be sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's very special moment for Happiness Institute podcast channel because today we have a very genius who eats Parle G for genius, and she's very genius, very cute, very laughing, smiling, and very happy, right? And that's really very cool, right? And so today you're sitting in front of camera, and many people are going to watch you and learn a lot from you. First of all, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Mahira Asif.
Mahira Asif. Who is this Asif?
Asif, it's my surname is Asif and my father's name is first name is Asif.
All right. So do you like Asif?
I like my name, yes.
You don't like your father?
I like my father's name.
Huh?
My surname is my father's name.
All right. So whom do you like more, your surname or your father?
This is stop asking the same question. I just now explained you.
Hey, come on, then just choose one. Like for example, what is first for you?
I can't say anything about this.
You can't say anything about this. Okay,
True.
that's
It's a
fine.
family matter.
It's a family matter. Okay, so choose your mother or father. Like, what's the best quality of your mother?
Like what I like more about my mother. I like when she listens to me and when she makes me correct.
Okay, when she listens to you and when she makes you correct. And what about your father?
Father, I like him when he listened me and when we both are happy together and spend time and do all the
I think you love to be with your father more.
like everyone equally.
You are not going to be trapped. You're not going to be trapped, and this is absolutely amazing. Okay, fine. So I have a few quick questions. Like you are sitting, and you seem to be very logical, very thoughtful and insightful. How have you developed these thoughts?
Thoughts you like I don't develop these. Whatever comes in my mind, I directly do that.
Okay, you do that.
When I feel something like, can I do this or not? Can I know what can I? So I take permission from my mother and father. And if they say yes, I can do it anytime when I get the reason to do it. And if they say no, I don't use it.
Okay. Have you ever cut chicken?
Chicken, no.
Have you eaten chicken?
Yes.
Do you like to eat chicken?
You know, when I was small, I liked to eat chicken. But when I grew up, I stopped eating.
Why? Because you feel like that they have lives.
No.
Huh.
You know, when we feel the skin of them, when there's something black sometimes. So when they little bit come, I don't feel like, oh, it's like you, why can I eat this? Why don't I now I stopped eating chicken.
Stopped eating chicken because of that black patch
Yes.
and all.
I like boneless chicken because there's no bone and all those. So my mother make chicken nuggets out of that sometimes.
So, like you are very logical. You're saying like you just a good one, but I want to know from you that I think you left eating chicken because of those black dots. So, like, do you leave all the things which has black dot or which has some negativity?
No. If I check them, if my brain tells something that I don't think I would like it, then imagine I don't have brain, so I could eat anything because my brain is not giving me suggestions. But I have brain, so my brain is giving me suggestion that no, I don't think I should eat this, so I don't eat. Because some things when I was small I don't eat, and some things when I grown up I started eating. But this incident never happened with me.
So you always listen to your brain.
Yeah.
What is your brain saying about me?
Well, like it's feeling like he's like good teaching me English. I can learn English easily.
Oh, and that's really. So you think the same thing about me, right?
Yeah.
Then I'll ask, what's my name? Come on. Let's see that if you remember my name.
I only remember the first letter.
First letter. What is the first
A.
letter? A. That's right. A for
Apple.
Apple. So my name is Apple. Huh? So,
I just don't know your name. Only I know the first letter of your name is A.
A. A for Abdullah.
Yeah.
If you remember, I told you yesterday. Anyway, coming to the next question, like, because there are so many kids same as your age, right?
Yeah.
But even they don't know anything, they don't think anything. They're enjoying, they're playing, they're doing some activities.
Yeah.
So why not you do all these activities as all the other kids?
So what to do?
What do you do?
I like art and craft, drawing, but I'm weak in painting.
You're weak in painting. So what about other sports like hide and seek, local?
I like hide and seek, and I like water and mountain.
Water mountain. So you play all these games.
Yes, I do play, but in Gujarat, I don't play because in our college, I am in Gujarat and I live in Shiv Township, Mundra.
Okay.
So, our township, everywhere dogs are there. People are weird there. If you just go, you feel like I should leave this place. Dogs are coming. They let them play with them. Dirty dogs everywhere. So my mother has booked a class for me there. It's a Aditi fitness class. So I go there, do my exercise, dance, and come home.
So on which song do you love to dance actually? Is there any favorite song?
Kamli.
Nima Kamli Kamli.
Yeah.
So you feel that you are Kamli or you feel that your teacher is Kamli?
I feel like I'm dancing Kamli.
You're dancing Kamli. Neither your teacher is Kamli nor you are Kamli. But you're dancing on Kamli.
Yeah.
You know which actress has acted in Kamli Kamli?
No.
Do you know the actress?
I just know how it looks, but I don't know the name because I've never asked my parents and I've never known them.
Okay, but you love to dance. Have you ever performed or have you ever danced on the stage in front of so many people?
Yes, I had
Okay, really?
times.
In your school?
Yes, in school.
In school. Right. Did you get the chance or you asked for the chance? Madam, give me the chance. I want to dance.
No. My whole class danced. Sir automatically come to my teacher and said, like, there's something going on, a performance, a show. So let's choose a class. Let's choose this class. That was our class. So we went. So sir chose us. It's not like that. I said.
Okay, so you did not say sir chose you, right?
Because that time I was a bit shy. That time.
You were a bit shy.
Yeah.
You were a shy girl. Now
That time. Now I'm not shy.
you're confident,
Like, yes.
right? Confident or overconfident?
Overconfident.
Do you think that you are overconfident?
I don't know the right answer to say.
But you should give right answer. If somebody asks you,
Normal confident. Like,
normal
like confident.
confident. Do you know how to sing also? Do you sing?
Yes.
Sing.
Sing like. I don't have it. I know things, but what can I?
There may be lyrics in your mind that you can sing that.
I can't call them.
Come on, you can do that.
Okay, I can sing a song.
Come on.
Come on, turn it ready, you're on. It's a Friday night, and I want belong. Got to do my hair and a makeup on. It's Friday night, and I want belong till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. I got all I need. Ma ain't got cash, I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills. Stuff come tonight. I love treat those, baby. I don't need dollar bills. Stuff come tonight. I love treat those. I don't need a honey.
Yeah, that's a fantastic. You know how to sing, you know how to dance, you know how to speak. All the kids, around you and around your house, they are just, sleeping and playing.
No. People who some people to revise them and do them, they can also be like me.
What about Hindi song?
Hindi song. I'm not really good at Hindi song.
You're not good in Hindi or Hindi song?
I'm not good in Hindi. I'm weak in Hindi, like saying few words like ka and all those. I know how to say, but I don't know how to say. Sometimes at the letters slip up and it comes different. So I'm weak in Hindi. But
तो क्या आपको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती है?
I understand Hindi, but I can't speak Hindi.
Okay, speak with me something or just say something in Hindi language.
But some words can be incorrect.
No problem. You just say something in Hindi.
Like what? Ask.
Like कैसा लग रहा है? आपको कैसा लग रहा है आप?
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप फ्यूचर में क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
AS officer.
You want to be an IAS officer. तो IAS officer बन के क्या करोगे?
मैं अपना काम करूंगी.
अपना काम. तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं तो ऐसे ही कर लो फिर IAS बनने की क्या जरूरत है? हाँ?
Like I don't know because I've never talked. I've never watched a video like what IAS officer do.
But you want to be an IAS officer. I think it's because your mother said.
My mother said IAS officer is also good. She just advised me, but she didn't force me to become.
Okay.
And she told me I was amazed to listen that, so I thought I should also become this.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's your message actually? Like you were talking very logically, sitting in front of Happiness Institute, all right, and you're talking to me. So what's your message for those girls and boys who are at your age? आपकी उम्र वाले बच्चों के लिए क्या सलाह देंगी आप?
Means what I would want for them.
Exactly.
I would want like they behave properly with the whole world when they become good. The whole world. If I don't know something and they know something that I don't know, so I can also learn something great from them and use them. And when I will do something, more people can see. So doing that can make the whole world a better place.
That's a fantastic. So you believe in giving and taking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can learn something from them and they can learn something from you.
Yeah.
So what do you want to teach them? क्या पढ़ाना चाहती हैं उन्हें आप?
I would teach how to do so many things like how to behave, not running, stand quietly, sit properly, how to talk, walk, do so many things.
Okay. So you can teach all these points.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What's your favorite subject, by the way?
Maths.
Maths.
Well, the few days back you asked me, I think yesterday, I was confused in addition and all those. I didn't understand what.
2 plus 2.
I thought you are adding me 2 plus 2, 4. Yeah. Are you adding me in multiplication?
But I'll again ask you this question. Let me just get the answer. Right? 2 plus 2 is square. What is the right answer?
I think 16.
No. Really? Yes. Yes.
I know. I didn't know that because one girl, you remember one girl said that. So I remembered that answer.
2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 is square. 4 is square. So is it multiply 4? 4 into 4 is equal to 16. You are right. You are right. Mathematically, you are right. Logically, you are right. Okay, that's fine. So
My teacher doesn't ask me this question. I was confused when you laughed. I thought, am I wrong?
Okay, so yeah, you were wrong yesterday, but now you have recorrected yourself. And I just want to ask, like, I think you must be studying, or you must have studied those common general multiplication and adding and all.
Yeah, like 2 and 3, 2 and all those. I know till like 6, 7. I don't know till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is so easy. You can know the trick. 5 and 6, 7. I don't know. 8, I think I forgot.
Yeah. Okay, let me ask you a question. कि आपके पास मान लो 19 रुपए है और 3 रुपए किलो आम मिला.
Can you say in English?
I'll say in English. मैं English में बोलता हूँ, right? If you have 19 rupees.
Yeah.
And if there is a mango seller, he's selling mango, right, in 3 rupees kg, and you buy 3 kg mango, how much money do you have now?
I don't understand.
Come on, I'll tell you again. You have 19 rupees.
I heard what you said, but I don't study these things.
No, you don't study, but just calculate it. For example.
It's adding.
Yeah, exactly. Adding and just, also decreasing the amount. For example, you have 19 rupees. I am selling mango. Mango le lo. And this is for 3 rupees. 3 rupees kilo mango hai. Right? So you are buying 3 kg mango from me. How much will you pay me?
3 rupees.
3 rupees kg. 3 kg.
3 kg, so 19? 19?
19? You will pay me 19.
I think 3.
3? No?
Because 3 kg took means I have to guess the answer. How much rupees I need to pay?
3 rupees kg, I'm giving you mango.
Yeah.
1 kg, 3 rupees. So 3 kg?
I don't understand.
अच्छा शॉपिंग नहीं. Okay, that's fine. That's 3 kg mango. 3 kilo mango लोगी तो कितने का होगा? 3 रुपए किलो है तो. 3 multiply 3 is equal to?
From me, I'm not telling that. I'm telling you 3K.
9. And when you pay me 9, how much money will you have?
I think 9 या 9K.
No, you will 9K, no. इतना बड़ा बड़ा amount की बात कर रहे हो. अभी no this will.
Stand is answering me.
You can't understand this answer. You have.
My teacher in these subjects, she didn't teach me this.
What's your teacher name?
Actually, I have just few, like, it is only 20 days in school.
So what's your teacher name?
I don't know. Because only at this looks, I knew half days happen. at least total it will be like 11 to 15.
I think you don't remember the people's names.
Yeah.
You got switched. The school was switched.
Yeah.
That's why. Do you love remembering the names of the people?
Remembering the names of the people.
Yeah.
Like when I remember them, I feel good. You are asking that.
Yeah. Do you remember? For example, I have called my name. What's my name, by the way?
Abdul.
That's fine. You remember now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it only Abdul?
It's Abdullah. Muhammad Abdullah. Mahira Asif.
Because I got confused because my mother's brother's name is Abdul.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. I'm your Mamu then. Right. So you call him Abdul Mamu,
Abdul Mamu, yeah.
right? Do you call me Mamu? Why?
Because only names are same. There's so many. Mahiras are famous person. So
No, but why not? You can call me Mamu.
that I could you. I'll call you sir because you are
No.
teaching me. So you will be sir.
No. Now you will not call me sir. You will call me Mamu.
I can call you because on names can be same. Because see, Mahira is a famous. Mahira, there's one more Mahira who's famous. So I'm not famous. Really, her famous.
Do you want to be famous?
Everyone wants.
So you want to be famous. Now you're going to be famous. Really, trust me.
Okay.
Everybody will know you now. Who is Mahira Asif? But you have to call me Mamu for that.
I can't call you Mamu because only the names can be.
No. I am. You have to call me Mamu.
Okay, see, Myra got famous earlier and I'm getting late because it's now. She got earlier. So I should also get. So I'm also Mamu. I'm also Mahira. So this could be also.
This could be, yeah. This Mahira has great potential. This Mahira is very good, actually.
Yes, she got earlier and I'm getting now.
So you will be famous now.
Now I get, but not later. She got earlier. So
You have got your Abdul Mamu earlier, right? Now Abdullah Mamu next.
okay, you are Abdullah
Huh.
and he's Abdul.
Yeah,
So it's not same.
it's not same.
Yeah. So that was
Then that's fine.
Yeah.
We cannot make double Abdul Mamu.
no.
One Abdul Mamu, another Abdul Mamu, Abdullah Mamu. What will be a better way to call me? Mamu or just sir?
Sir.
No, call me Mamu. I am Rayan's Mamu, you know.
Maybe he calls you.
But you also have to call me. I will be sad actually, you know.
This is not fair to be sad. Now see you are laughing just now. So let's say you are laughing again.
So what's wrong? Like I'm laughing, but my heart is crying that you're not calling me Mamu.
Then you should cry. You are laughing.
But I cannot laugh because the camera is on. So I cannot cry. People will say Abdullah sir is crying. Right. Okay. Anyway,
Call you Mamu because you will be my sir.
so I'll be always your sir.
Yes.
What if your sir is requesting, please call me Mamu then?
Okay, call my mother's brother. I called him sir.
Then you will call me Mamu.
No.
मामू को सर बोल देंगी और सर को मामू नहीं बोलोगी. मामू मतलब
Arey, my mother's brother. I call him Mamu because he's a family.
I'm also a family.
More about our.
I know everything.
Okay, I'll call you Mamu.
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay, over this conversation.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, Mamu, conversation over.
अच्छा मतलब you then if you're going to call me Mamu, you will not be professional.
Not like that.
Okay. Anyway, I will have 2 last questions. Leave this Mamu. I will come your home and then you will call me Mamu, right?
Okay.
Right. So not now. You will call me sir now.
Oh, yes.
Right. Okay. So my another question will be that Mahira, you tell me, like you want to be an IAS officer.
Yeah.
That's fine. Are you more into education, like you want to take information, knowledge always, or you think?
According to that, everyone needs. For example, my Khala needs to become a painter. So she needs to learn how to make paints, how to do paints professionally. So she became. We need now. So I want to be an ASI officer. So I need the knowledge of ASI officer. What work I need to.
ASI or IAS?
IAS officer.
All right. Okay. That's fine. So do you like your Khala's paintings?
Yes, I do it. She makes extreme paintings and I like it.
Really?
She has made a glass painting by sticking glass and decorating them with, like, there's a mehdi type packet is like mehdi but it comes in white color.
Wow. It's fantastic. And have you seen that one, the bee one? Honey?
Yes, I've seen that.
You've seen that. That's nice, I think, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, the last question I would like to ask you, right? Who is the best person in the world?
Nice person. Like what I like in.
Who is the best person in the world?
I can't tell that.
Come on, tell
in
me.
this question.
Who is the best person in the world?
Person.
Hmm.
Like okay, give me some topics like actor, family,
Okay, fine. So, who is the best person in your family?
family, except family.
Who is the best actor in the world?
And my favorite is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. You like him?
Like, so many Shah Rukh Khans, like that You Mein Jo Pathan Chalya and Salman Khan, all those.
You like all these people, all right? That's fine. They like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan,
Yeah.
all these actors. Who is your favorite actress?
Actress, like whoever dance,
Whoever dance or whoever acts.
acts, Kamli Kamli.
Kamli, Katrina Kaif.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. So, but you cannot talk about your family only, right?
No, I can't say anything like loving Albert because I love everyone equally in my family and so do everyone in my family.
That's a fact.
I can't ask, I can't even give the answer even. I'll be silent of this answer if someone asks me in your family, these two members are the who you like the most and you can't add yourself.
Really? So, it means that if your khala says that, okay, you don't go with your ammi, you live with me for 1 month, what will you do? You will say, these are family, okay, I'll live with your khala.
If my parents allow, because my parents decide more for me, they know more good.
But your khala is there, so if your
They are also my parents, and they guide me on good things. So I have to listen. My mother will they treat me properly and all those.
will she not treat you properly?
She will, but she know because I need to also go school. My work is also to study.
So she will send you to school.
Yes, but when she'll send me, my main school will be left. I can't leave it.
So she will send you the main school.
How she get? She lives in Delhi and I live in Gujarat.
She will just get you enrolled and admitted in Delhi's school.
It can't be possible. My parents will decide. I will not tell I will live with her, so I'll live it. But my parents will decide.
So what if your mother says, okay, go with your khala?
So I can go.
You can go.
Let's say.
And if mama is crying?
If she allows, she knows what I need to do for me.
Okay, so she will not cry.
No, I don't know what she.
All right, so congratulations.
Thank.
You have done a good job, I think, right? You have done it first time, the first live conversation you have done in your life, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's going to be good. And you're going to watch it, right?
Yeah.
You are going to be more famous than that Mahira.
Yeah.
That another Mahira, you're going to be.
If I work hard.
You have to work hard.
Yeah.
Inshallah, you will do it.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah? Right. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I think this was one of my favorite conversations because it was amazing. Actually, the exactly cute and the smallest girl in the house in the podcast studio, she has given good answers. Even I was not expecting this kind of logical answer exactly. It was very analytical, very logical answer from Mahira Asif. And she is bold, smart, fantastic. And I think every child and kid should learn from her, right? Thank you.